friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. So finally friends, it is a epic charging speed test comparison between all of these 4 smartphones which I am having right now. So recently I did finish the epic PUBG Battleground comparison as well, so make sure to check that video. And after this complete charge, I'll be doing the CPU throttling epic test, so make sure to stay tuned for that video friends. And overall this epic series is going to be really interesting because I'll try to create another playlist for the epic category, so make sure to check the playlist. So where is the Mi11X, which has got the 33 watt fast charging and 4520 mAh of battery capacity, and next phone is a OnePlus 9R, which has got the 65 watt fast charging and the 4500 mAh of battery capacity, as you can see friends. And next mobile is a Realme X7 Pro, which has got 4500 mAh of battery capacity and the 65 watt of super dot charging, as you can see. I'm trying to use the default charger and the default cable only, so which will give us the realistic results. And it is the IQ7 device finally, and which has got the 66 watts Vivo charging, as you can see friends. So these are the few chargers which I'm trying to use: 33, 65, 65 and 66, 4520, 4500, 4500 and 4400. So for this kind of epic charging and training test, we do need epic stopwatch, so which is the Mi Max 3 device. As you can see friends, this is the Mi Max 3, which has 6.99 inches of screen size. So this is the phone which I'm trying to use for the stopwatch at the moment, which is the epic stopwatch. As you can see friends, right now all the phones are started to charge with a 1%, as you can see. So right now the stopwatch is off, started as well. And let's see friends, after 10 minutes I'll be back again. So I'll try to show you which phone will be reaching what kind of percentage, and which phone will be having the what kind of temperature as well. So 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and 40 minutes and full charge. These are the durations which I'll try to record the battery percentage and temperature readings. So definitely friends, it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many phones charging at same time possible. So make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. So stay tuned friends for more epic kind of comparison test which I'll be doing in the next couple of days. So regarding testing the CPU throttling test and while watching YouTube videos, so all those epic tests which are going to come in the next. So I did plan this kind of series after a lot of feedback which I got in my channel. So let's see friends, which phone will be charging faster for the first 10 minutes of time. I already can see the IQ7 is in the lead right now with the 14%. Let's check the temperatures in the beginning. 38 degrees on the Mi11X device, 37 degrees on the OnePlus 9R, 37 degrees on the Realme X7 Pro, IQ7 38.2 degrees. So again I'll check the temperatures and the battery percentage around exactly 10 minutes of time after the stopwatch begins. 10 minutes. As you can see friends, we're getting close to 10 minutes of time. Let's check the battery percentage, how much it is. So in this Mi11X it reached to 28%, as you can see, 28, and 33% in the OnePlus device, OnePlus 9R, and 31% in the Realme X7 Pro, as you can see. And IQ7 is of 45%. As you can see friends, these are the readings for the first 10 minutes of charging all the phones, as you can see clearly. So these are the charging is. So I can clearly say the IQ7 is slightly leading the race, so with the 45% of the fast charging. So usually it will charge between 40 to 45% friends every time. So whenever I do the charging speed test, that is what I did. And this is a Realme X7 Pro. So after the recent Realme UI 2.0 update, the charging speed slightly decreased in this phone, so that is what I did notice. So let's see in the next 20 minutes how much the charging speeds will be there for the next race, because in the beginning for the first 10 minutes always the charging speed will be highest every time, but next 10 minutes the charging speed will be slightly decreasing. So that is what I'll be concentrating for the next 20 minutes of time in all the 4 smartphones. Now we are getting close to 20 minutes of timing friends, and one more thing I forgot to show you the temperatures, what is happening for the first 10 minutes. So I'll try to discuss again. So let's see for the first 20 minutes. So right now 50% in the Mi11X device, as you can see here. So 50% exactly, and in the OnePlus 9R 62%, 62, and 55% in this Realme X7 Pro. So let me zoom in again, 55, and IQ7 is about 76. So now this time let's check the temperature friends. Temperature on this Mi11X is about 41.2 degrees, and the OnePlus 9R is of 38.4. So let me try to write down the readings before I forget. And next is the Realme X7 Pro, 38.2, so 38 degrees, and IQ7 is of 39 degrees. So 39.2 is as you can see friends, 39.2, which reached in the IQ7 right now, little bit. So overall these are the few temperature readings for all the smartphones. As you can see, friends, these are the readings for the first 20 minutes of charging continuously in all the four smartphones, as you can see clearly, and the results are really shocking, friends. And within 20 minutes you can charge up to close to 75% of battery in this IQ7 device, so which is really amazing. And the temperature is also remaining constantly close to 40 degrees except the Mi11X device, so slightly bit kind of high in the Mi11X device. So even though the phone has got 33 watt slow charging only, but still it was able to heat 41.6, as you can see. Even my room temperature is also not high, friends, so there is no AC and cooler turned on at the moment. There's only a normal fan is going on. So again I'll be back after 30 more minutes. So let's see in the first 30 minutes which phone will be in what kind of percentage. Now we are getting close to the 30 minutes of time as well, and one thing is that, as I said, the Realme X7 Pro, the charging speed used to be really fast in the beginning, but later of the Realme UI 2.0 update, the charging speed decreased, friends, in this phone. And a lot of users, the IQ7 device, they are saying that the phone is getting charged within 30 minutes of time, and some people 32 minutes. But let's see, recently I did get the update, and maybe after the update the phone will be able to charge faster or not. So right now it's 97, so I'm just waiting for the exact time, the 30 seconds. So let me try to start from IQ7 phone, because usually the IQ7 will charge very fast. So that's why let me try to start checking from this phone. So let's see exactly around 10 o'clock, 30 minutes, 97, 73, 85 and 72. And these are the results for the first 30 minutes of charging, and the temperature remains constant in this Mi11X 42.4 degrees, as you can see, friends. And in this OnePlus 9R the temperature is of 38.2, as you can clearly see, 38.2, and 38.2 as well in this Realme X7 Pro. I'm not sure why both are kind of same. I'm trying to change, but still 38. And IQ7 let's see, 38.6, 38.8, so 39, as you can see. So still it's 39, 38, 38 and 42. So let's see, friends, from this time which phone will be able to charge faster. This is a really interesting thing to check. So 98% and 76% in the OnePlus 9R, it's 88%. So usually the OnePlus 9R will take about close to 40 minutes of time to complete charge, friends, in the OnePlus 9R. And with my experience, IQ7 took about 35 minutes to 36 minutes. So and Mi11X took about 61 minutes and 60 minutes in my experience. And Realme X7 Pro, it depends, friends, upon its mood. So sometimes it will charge faster, sometimes it will charge slower. So after the Realme UI 2.0 update, this is what happening with the Realme X7 Pro. I'm not sure, so make sure to comment below in case you are facing this kind of slow charging issues in this Realme X7 Pro device. And right now it's 99 and it's charged exactly 32 minutes, as you can see, friends, the IQ7. So I think after the update the charging speed slightly got better. So IQ7 is completely charged to 100% within 32 minutes, as you can see, friends. And one more thing I need to check, a lot of users, they are really saying that IQ7 got the 4G Plus update recently. So I need to check even with that one as well, friends. Very soon I'll try to make a video on that particular topic. And at this point the OnePlus 9R is at 91%, as you can see here, 91. So the next phone is going to full charge, obviously it will be the OnePlus 9R, but let's see how much time the OnePlus 9R will take to charge. And meanwhile, let me try to unplug this IQ7 device and let me try to start the phone. So sometimes what happens is that when you try to start the phone, the battery percentage from 100 it will come to 99%. So let me try to start the phone, friends. As soon as it got 100, I'm trying to start. So we'll be able to see how much the phone battery percentage is actually after starting the phone. So that is what I'll be trying to do in this kind of unique testing. So let's see. And after starting the phone, and you'll be able to see the 100% of the battery, as you can see clearly, friends. So there is no discharge happened at this point. So next thing, I'll try to test the CPU throttling versus all of these smartphones once they are 100% charged. So that is for another video, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. So finally, friends, exactly around 40 minutes the OnePlus 9R got fully charged to 100%, and the Realme X7 Pro still at 95%, as you can see, friends. So as I said, after the update the Realme X7 Pro is taking too much of time. So after the Realme UI 2.0 update, so this OnePlus 9R charging will vary from 37 minutes, 36 minutes to 39 minutes around this time. Always this will get complete charge within this kind of around time frame. So it cannot be constant every time. So it varies from time to time from multiple testings. So this is a situation where created, and let me try to open the Mi11X charging. So right now it's charging about 94%, as you can see right now, 94%. I think with the recent update which I did install in this phone, which is a beta update which I installed in the MI Linux device just for the testing purpose, the charging speed slightly got improved, friends. So let's see whether this phone will be able to charge faster or not. So usually what happens is that with the MI Linux, till 94 and 93 it will charge really fast. From last 5% it will take so much of time, that is close to sometimes 10 to 15 minutes of time. This will be taking the MI Linux phone. So let's see, friends, how much more time this phone will take and how much time this Realme X7 Pro will take. And right now it's 94%. So exactly around 44 minutes the Realme X7 Pro got completely fully charged, as you can see, friends. 100% Realme X7 Pro. So 44 minutes of time, total time it took. As you can see, friends, these are the results. So still the MI Linux is still going on. So again I'll be back when the MI Linux phone gets fully charged. So finally, friends, the MI Linux got fully charged to 100% around 54 minutes of time, as you can see. So whereas the MI company, they do claim the phone can charge within close to 52 minutes of time, as you can see. So definitely, friends, I think the charging speed is improving after doing a lot of cycles by charging and discharging. So that is what I can conclude. So these are the final scores for all the 4 smartphones, as you can see, friends, clearly. So 54 minutes, 40 minutes, 44 minutes and 32 minutes. So the clear winner is the iQ7 device. And one more thing regarding the MI Linux device. So sometimes it used to take even to charge 60 minutes as well, close to 60 minutes, and sometimes 58 minutes. So there is some kind of inconsistency going on with the MI Linux device. But overall, it's also really good considering the 33 watt fast charging. Still it was able to charge really faster. And the Realme X7 Pro, I'm not sure, after the Realme 2.0 update, this is what happened. It got affected. Before it used to get charged by 35 minutes, but now it's taking 44 minutes, and some people, they are taking 50 minutes as well for some users. And OnePlus 9 are 40 minutes and iQ7 32 minutes. So this is a quick Epic charging test, friends, and stay tuned for the next video, which is a Epic CPU throttling test after charging to 100%. That will be my next video. So thank you for watching, friends, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.